Good morning, guys. Let's get through the scanner this morning. Today's Wednesday, December 8th, and we have quite a few stocks on scanner, a lot of familiar names. The first one is XELA. XELA. This one looks like it just dropped news. Oh, yeah, it just dropped news a couple minutes ago. Because we see, before that, the way these candles are, they show low volume, so it wasn't really heavily traded before. It was barcoding all day yesterday, but now it finally popped up on some news. I do not love this stock. It used to be a fun trade back in the day, and then I think they kept diluting it, so the float is larger, and there's a lot of back holders on it still. So normally just barcodes like this. Oh, excuse me. See, it has news now, but it's forming sort of a flat top here in 123. Could maybe trade a VWAP bounce, but I'm not too excited about it. I don't love the stock. AUUD, I love this stock. This stock actually was very nice to us earlier, well, I guess last month. At this point, this level of 2.4 seems to be a key level. We see sharp rejection there, break above that squeeze, touch on it to confirm support, then VWAP sort of took over as support, drop below that, and shorts took over, break above that squeeze, drop below that, they took over, break above that squeeze. So it's a key level. However, at this point, because VWAP is descending, it's approaching it, so it's becoming a little more difficult to trade breakouts of that level, because you see the trade was 2.4 to VWAP. But here VWAP is at 5, now it's sort of dropping to 2.45. So for this one, we'd want to trade break above VWAP, just a safer trade. So I'm going to do it like this. Okay. Next, I'm going to add that one, AUD. Here. The next one is LEXX. LEXX, okay. This one had news this morning. Again, another pharma stock. Okay, an obvious key level here is this level of 675. Broke, sharp rejection, break above that squeeze, touch on that level, confirm a support, break below that, shorts took over. So, say break above 675 is the entry for me there. This one is EFOE. We've traded this one a lot in the past as well. So a lot of familiar names this morning. This one, we could trade a reversal here on EMA20. EMA20 to VWAP is a trade. And then for a breakout, I'd say break above this level of 2.8. You just see the spread. There's no spread right now. There's enough volume to trade a pre-market, so EMA20 bounce is a valid trade. This one is SCPS. Volume's still a little light on this one. If it does pick up volume, we have this double bottom here, and then break below that, shorts took over, so I would say break above 2.4 would be a trade for me there. There's plenty of room to VWAP. It stays like this, although VWAP's descending a little bit, so depending how long it takes for it to break it, could potentially get too close to allow us for a safe trade. This is VRPX, another stock that we've traded quite a lot in the past. It's a very known mover. I actually normally love seeing it on scanner because it normally goes parabolic. The volume's still very light on it. It seems like it just had news at 8 o'clock. It's 8:20 now, but for whatever reason, it's sort of dying. So if it breaks above 4.4, we can trade that. CSCW, too cheap for me, not a lot of volume, nothing to see. HOTH, this is another stock that we've traded in the past. Not a lot of volume right now. And if it breaks above VWAP, we can worry about it, but until then, I'm not even bothering to put it on the watch list. CPIX, this one has been popping on scanner a lot in the past couple of weeks. We even traded a little bit yesterday. I would say, well, actually, I'm going to leave that line from yesterday because it seemed like we bounced on it. I would say, right now it's still hard to determine a trade because there's no volume, so there's a lot of these like goji candles, but obviously there's a big double top. What is that? 6.3 on 6.3, so break above 6.3 would be a squeeze level, so that's a trade. Before that, it's hard to say. Maybe break above 6, but definitely break above 6.3. And really not doing anything until it picks up volume. It has no shares being traded right now, and there's a huge spread. This is TIVC. These are the levels. I'm just going to draw them for practice, but again, not a lot of volume. Okay, so that's that for this morning. Not too much going on right now, but we have our alert set. And then, we'll keep watching. We have about 35 minutes to 9 o'clock when more news could be dropped, and we could get some more stocks to pick up volume and to jump on our morning gapper scanner. And then when the bell rings, obviously our momentum market scanner is going to show the momentum stocks for the day as well. Okay, let's see, guys. Happy trading.